Okay, this is March 15th, 2021 here in Kitchener, Zone 5, and I'm here in my yard doing a quick update on these earth machines. Thought I'd show what the progress was at this time of year. I've got this one full with just shredded leaves and other yard waste, and I've taken a moment to kind of work this loose. There was a whole bunch of debris, just leaves and things, piled up around the sill of this, and so it was a little bit secured down, but I took, maybe 2 minutes to just kind of rock it back and forth, shake it loose, and get it to the state where I can show that the way I like to work with these is to just lift the cone off. So I'll try to do that here one-handed. Yeah, so it comes free quite easily at this point. There we go. Just lift the cone right off. Right, and the contents hold their shape pretty well. This cone, I don't know, I haven't weighed it, but there it is. I'm able to lift that with one hand. It's it's kind of heavy. What's that? Maybe, might be like 30 pounds. And if I don't disturb this, now if I start messing with it, I can't get the cone back on, which I want to do. But the top material here, fairly light. This is all cold. It's not warm at all. Coming down the pile here, this is heavy, wet, cold, somewhat frozen, some frost there. So this is not ready to work with yet. It's not ready to turn. Maybe in a few more weeks when the weather's more consistently warm. Right now it's maybe, it's -1 Celsius out. In a few more weeks when the weather's more consistently warm, I will just rake this all out into a row. Just rake this out into a row here, and then set the cone back in place and shovel the material back in. That's how I turn these compost piles. So I'll give it one turn to get this red material at the top here, which really hasn't broken down very much, mixed in with this blacker material here, which looks like it's probably ready to use as is. So I'll give this one turn, get that material all incorporated by raking it out here, setting the cone back in place and refilling it. And that's a really easy way to work with these earth machine backyard composters. Okay. So a little more finessing and that'll go more or less back into place where it was. I don't want to take a lot of time to look inside of those. They look okay. There's some material beat up in there, but I'll save that for maybe the next video. Let's end this one here. See you in the next one.